Guys, so I want to teach you how to use the MetaTrader 5 app. So when you download the MetaTrader 5 and then you open it, this is what you see. This is how the interface looks like. So down we have codes, we have charts, we have trade, we have history, and then we have message. So I'm going to explain one after the other. So let's start from the code. So when you come to the code, this is what you see. The code column, we have a plus sign at the top. Say for example, we have so many pairs. So when you want to add a pair that is not here on the list here, now we have GBP USD. So say for example, you want to add Euro USD, and then we don't have Euro USD here. So you tap on the plus sign and then you go to Forex main. You check and see whether the pair is a major pair that you want to add, or exotic, or any. So Euro USD is a major pair. So let's go to Forex main. That is Euro USD. So you just tap on it once and then you go back. Then you have your Euro USD there. That is it. And then when you want to delete the pair there, the pencil sign at the right top corner, you tap on it and then that bin delete, and then you select the pair you want to delete, and then you tap on the bin again, and then it is off. That is it. So let's add some pairs to our watch list. Okay, so let me go back. I tap on that. Let me add Euro USD. Okay, let me add Euro card AUD USD. Okay, I think that one is cool. So let's go back and see. Yeah, so right now we have GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro card AUD USD. So let me take off Euro card and then AUD USD. So it's just simple. The pencils at the top there, you tap on it and then use the bin. You select the pairs that you want to delete. So AUD USD, Euro card, and then you delete. Okay, so that's cool. So let's move to the next one. So the next one is chart. When you come to the chart, it's going to give you the view of how a particular, like the chart form of a pair. Let's say for example, when you come to the code and then this Euro USD, so when you want to see the chart form of Euro USD, you tap on Euro USD and then you see new order chart. So we want the chart, so you tap on the chart, then the chart will be open. So this is how the chart looks like, the chart for Euro USD. And then the same thing with GBP USD. You go to code, say you want to open the GBP USD chart, you open it, GBP USD chart, and then this is it. This is the chart for GBP USD. Yeah. So and then at the top of the chart, you see that we have a plus sign at the top. This plus sign, let's say for example, you want to set stop loss, which I'll teach you. Let's say a stop loss of, let's say you are in this market, you want to short this market, and then you are putting your stop loss just above here. You just take this to see the stop loss price. That is 1.27974. So you pick that and then you go and put it at your stop loss region. Okay, that is the use of that crosshair. The name is crosshair. And then we have the next one that contains indicators. When you want to add indicators to the chart, you just go and tap there, and then you see Sigma F sign. You tap that place. Okay, and then you see Bollinger Band, envelopes, a whole lot of indicators there. You can change your chart to any time frame. Now H1 means that each and every candle use an hour to form. So let's say you want to change it to M15, 15 minutes. So you come here, it is M15. Then that means each candle use 15 minutes to form. And that is it. Each candle use 15 minutes to form. Okay, so let's go back to H1. Sorry, H1, that is it. We are still there. And then the next one, if you want to set a pending order, which I'll be teaching more of that. That is when you use this. You see, so I'm having a limit order there automatically, a sell limit at the top here. That is when I'll use that. Yeah, a limit order. I'll teach more on the orders and all those stuffs. Okay, and then the next one, the first one at the right top corner, which is the one at the top. If I tap on it, it will give me the region to sell and then the region to buy at ease. Let's see that. Okay, as you can all see, the left side, when you tap on it, you just sell. The right side, when you tap on it, you buy at ease. And then the center, that is where we have the space for the lot size, where the 0.1 is. That is the space for the lot size. You can edit and then put any lot size of your choice there. Say for example, you can put 1 lot 1.0. Depending on your account size, you can put 0.1. It all depends on your account size. Okay, that is where the lot size is. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, the next one, that is trade. Okay, this column, whenever you open a trade, this place is where you'll be seeing your running trades, the trades that you are running, like currently running. I will do a sample on that and then you see everything here, and then you see your balance, equity, and then free margin there. Yeah, balance, equity, and then free margin. I'll explain everything. So history will give you your trades breakdown, as in your gain for the day. Last week, when you open the box at the top, the first box at the top right corner, when you open it, you see today, last week, last month, last 3 months. So let's open today. So today you have a profit of $96 on our $1,000 account. You have a profit of $96. So let's go to last week. So last week we have a profit of 383, like putting everything together here. So they will give you the total of all the profits you've made the previous week. So that is $383. So that is your deposit. The initial deposit was $1,000, and then the balance, current balance, is 1,381. Yeah, so that's it. So I think the last one is where the messages are, and which is not important. It is just, they will just be giving you messages there. That is all. Messages, just normal messages, not anything important. Okay, so let me quickly go through the ones that are important. Okay, now you need to keep in head how to add pair. That is, you tap on the plus sign, you open when it is a major pair, forex main, and then you add. Let's add USD JPY, CHF JPY, Euro GBP. I think we have minor pairs here too. They are all mixed. Okay, so let me go back. And then if you want to delete the ones that we've just added, if you want to delete it, you just go here. Okay, let me use this one. The pencil, the box, tap in the ones that you want to delete. You select them and then you take them off. The ones that you want to delete, you just select them and then you take them off. So we select Euro GBP, CHF JPY, USD JPY. So let me delete that. Yeah, so that's good. That's the most important things to keep eyes on. Then with the chart, say we have the chart like this. Okay, so let's say you want to open GBP USD chart, you do that, you open the chart, and then we have GBP USD chart like this. Okay, so I think those are the most important things now. And then to play, how to place a trade. Let's say for example we want to place an order on this. Let's say I send out a signal in the group that buy or sell GBP USD now. Buy or sell. I'll drop one. If I say sell you GBP USD now, and then I say now, that is instant execution. So if I say sell GBP USD now, you just go to the top you open that, and then the next thing that you check is your lot size. So I'm going with 0.01 because I'm just teaching. I can play with this account. Okay, 0.01, and then let's see. You just tap on it and then done. That is your order in the market. You see that is your order in the market. So in that, I'll give a stop loss. Say for example, the stop loss is I give out a 1.28035. 1.28035. You go to trade column, then the right corner here we have a menu there, so you just pull it out. Okay, so when you pull out this, then the first one is when you want to close the trade. So now we want to set our stop loss. So the pencil sign, that is what we are going to use. We are going to use the pencil sign to set our stop loss. The pencil sign to set our stop loss. So let's check our stop loss again. So we are using a stop loss of, that will be 1.2. Okay, so let's see. We are just doing something using the stop loss 1.27855. So 1.27855. So the pencil sign, so SL column 1.27855. so the left side is for SL and then the right side is for take profit. So we just do that, and then you are done setting your SL. And then if I give take profit, you just come to the take profit column and then you type in your take profit. But normally I leave the take profit open. Yeah, so you just come there, type your SL, and then you tap on modify. Let's see. That is it. Let's go back to the chart and check. So when you go back, you see SL at the top. That is your SL. That is it. So that is how we do it. So now if you want to close your trades too, okay, so when you come to the trade column, so this is the trade that you currently have, the trade that is currently in motion. So when you want to close this trade, you just tap on it again. You bring out that the first one is where you close the trade. You just go there, and then at the bottom you see close with loss of minus 0.13. That is it. So it keeps on changing, profit, loss, like that. And then we have so many features there. So the first one is where you close the trade. The second one is where you set your SL and then TP. And then the plus sign is when you want to add more positions. Say for example, you want to add more buys or sell positions. Let's say you want to add one more sell position. You come here, we put in the stop loss, and then we sell again. That is it. And then the last one, that is when you want to see the chart for GBP USD. Sometimes you can have GBP USD chart open, USD chart open, USD CHF, like 3 different pairs that you are trading at the go. So if you want to open a particular pair, you just tap on it, pull out that, and then the first sign, that is like a chart type of sign at the right, you just tap on that and then you see the chart. Yeah, that's it. So you just see the chart like this. Yeah, so this is how to easily operate the MT5. So I'll do another video on how to use the MT5 to analyze, how to analyze on the MT5. So for now, let's just practice this and then know how to operate the MT5. Bye bye.